Hello, hello. This is Miss Teas here with some friendly directions for your assignment today for Wednesday. So it's going to be a little bit different in the sense that we are using a website to help you practice, and you'll just have a quick exit ticket afterwards to kind of prove that you know what you're doing. So after you read these slides, you will go to a website named BreakoutEdu for today's practice. That website's going to look like this. Now, on this slide, this is your slideshow for Wednesday. So all I'm doing is just going through and making sure that you have a clear understanding and making sure that you really follow directions, because Miss Emmers, Mrs. Zaragoza, and I are predicting that there may be a lot of confusion and questions if you aren't careful and if you aren't reading the directions. So your Breakout EDU page will look like this. The activity for today, your mission for today, is a day at the park. So once you go to Breakout EDU, which will be linked in another slide, you're going to see 4 locks, and you can choose the locks in any order that you'd like. So there's essentially 4 missions. There's a color mission, a letter mission, a number mission, and a shape mission. And you have to solve them one at a time in any order and break the lock. You have to figure out the code. So you'll solve each problem so you can break out. All 4 locks must be solved correctly so you can break out. So in order for you to break out of your mission, you have to solve all 4 of the locks. There will be clues to help you with each lock if you need them. You can find those clues on slide 11 and the answers are on slide 12. So please don't go to slide 11 unless you are just stumped and you are stuck. So slide 11 will kind of tell you what you're supposed to do for that lock if you haven't figured it out yet. On slide 12, I have the answers for you. If you are desperate and you've tried and you've tried and you tried and tried and you've been honest about your trying, then that's there for you. Because remember, if you cheat, you're only cheating yourself. So do not press the back button when you're on the website, because then you're going to lose your progress. So make sure that you don't press the back button. Now, I have a little stop sign here. When you break out, do not close the window, because you need to prove that you've broken out on slide 13. You must copy what the site says once you break out. So on slide 13, this is what your website is going to look like once you've broken out of all 4 locks, and it's going to say something down here. You need to type in here, you need to delete this and type what it should actually say on your breakout page. So your link for breakout is right after the stop sign. So don't close your window, because you have to finish this. This is kind of your exit ticket. And then after that stop sign, you have your link to Breakout EDU. So like promised, on slide 11, there's going to be clues. And then on slide 12, if you get desperate, like you're beyond frustration, which honestly, I don't think that you should be, because the hardest part should be honest. For me, it was figuring out what I was supposed to do for each lock. So slide 11 will give you those clues. But on slide 12, the actual answers are there. So if you move or delete this box, then you're going to see the answers for that lock. So make sure that you don't close your window once you've broken out, and make sure that you type that mystery sentence down here at the bottom. Good luck.